Hello everybody, today's video is about how to program after factory remote to unlock lock doors. This is Toyota Avalon 2003. So when you order this remote, it comes with a battery inside and it's ready to go. So we'll go step by step. First, open the door. So the first step is make sure all the doors are unlocked and closed. You see, unlocked all 4 doors, all of them. Then the driver door, it's open like that, unlocked. Here's the key. Put the key in all the way and remove it. Do the cycle 5 times. Close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close it, open again, and do again second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close the door. Put the key in. Turn ignition on. Don't start it, and then off. Remove the key. Okay, all the doors are unlocked. Open the door. Put the key in and remove it. Do 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close. Open again. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave the door open. Put the ignition key in. Turn all the way. Do not start it. On, then off. How to program if you buy or order after factory remote to unlock doors. This is Toyota Avalon 2003, and I'll put link description where to order this. There are so many links you can buy from eBay or Amazon or wherever, AliExpress or so on. So when we first, here's the key, here's the remote. We just order. Driver door is open, unlocked. All the 4 doors are unlocked. Put the key 2 times without turn it. 1, 2. Close the door 2 times. 1, 2. Key 1 time. Remove. Close the door 2 times. 1, 2. Put the key in. Close the driver door. On to off. Remove the key.
So we'll grab our remote and hold down the lock and unlock button at the same time and continue to hold them down for about 1.5 seconds. 1, release. Now just press the lock button. The door lock cycled, indicating this remote successfully been programmed. If you have any additional